Well, to make it easier for us to cut out these characters, I'm going to make an outline. Make an outline. Now that we finish with the outline, we cut them up with our scissors or a cutter, but I prefer a scissors because scissors are much safer. And there you go. So we have our three characters. Let me put this away. Now, the other thing we can use is actually a stick. But since I don't have a stick right now, I'm going to make a stick. How do we make it? Grab another paper and then let's fold it like that, and we can cut it. I'm using a ruler. Cut it just like that, easy peasy. And then since we have three characters, we're going to make three sticks. We're going to make paper sticks. If from one side is difficult, you can do it from the other side like this, and then we're going to roll it like this. So we have a stick. Now we have three sticks. We have three characters, which we're going to put like this. So we can make up a story of Mitch playing ball with his dog, and we're going to glue this all together, or using a tape. And we're done with one character. Let's give a glue to the other. And here is the example of me playing the puppets. So I hope you guys can learn something from this video. I'm sure that you guys can make better characters and make up a better story than what I did just now. So thanks for watching, and see you again next time.